Good day everyone. In case you experience this kind of problem on your diesel Actros engine, whereby your RPM is fluctuating or moving up and down simultaneously, this indicates that your injector nozzle atomization of fuel to the combustion chamber is not uniform. As a result of that, your engine speed will be imbalanced and your engine cylinder running will be unstable. The negative or reaction from the engine are loss of engine power, unclean emission gases from the silencer, and higher fuel consumption rate. The possible or fake component that can lead to this problem are cylinder valves, cylinder head valves, cylinder head, rocker arms, push rod, cam follower or roller tappet, electronics unit pump EUP, injector nozzles. On this very particular engine you are watching, what leads to that fluctuation of RPM and the R starting is a failed injector and unit pump. That is what we change, and that correct the problem. No fluctuation of RPM anymore. RPM is moving fine in the ICU, and the I starting issue has been resolved. Watch the rest video and enjoy.